This 2022 Jayco Jay Feather 27 bhb is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 33 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, LP detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, oven, spare tire kit, water heater, slide out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco Jay Feather 27 bhb is 6,370 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.